Sir, will I get kids off?
No, beta, other kids also are able to answer this. Ezekiel, where is your friend, Dr. Aisha?
Sir, I don't know. Sir, she's roaming around the world. Sir, today Ragini ma'am is not there.
She is there. No?
She's there, but I can't see the name. Sir, what is her name then? No, sir, I by mistakenly sent her. हाँ पूरी दुनिया
Good
घूम
evening,
के she
Aisha.
has
Start
come
doing
back.
the question. So this is Ahana
the
and Annie.
question.
And Aisha, where is my answer?
Oh, Aisha, very bad girl, Aisha. Oh, no.
Sir, my chat was not working. Now it has started to work. I'm just sending the answer. Sir, I've sent.
All right, guys. तो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ एनी एंड द नो। तो गाइस इसको मैं 1 को लिख सकता हूँ 2/2, 3/3, 4/4 and 5/5. Can I or I can't? I can. So 1 को I can write it as 5/5. How can I write it as 5/5? Because I want 5 in the denominator. Why do I want 5 in the denominator? Because I want to convert them into like fractions. So I will get 5/5 minus 2/5. That will give me what? 3/5. That will be my answer. Question B.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you know tomorrow is Javir's birthday.
Javira.
Yes, sir, Javira.
Sir, you know my birthday is coming.
So great for you. So great for you.
But it is in the end.
So bad for you. So bad for you. ऐसे तो सबका बर्थडे आ रहा है.
नहीं इसी मंथ में आ रहा.
अच्छा.
मेरे जो डेट जितनी है.
चुप जाओ. नहीं.
Sir, can I resend? I subtracted. Sir, can I resend the answer? Sir, can I resend?
Yes, you can resend.
Sir, I have also resent. Ma'am, please check.
All right, guys.
Sir,
Let's see.
Ragini ma'am is not checking. I have sent.
You have sent to me, Rita Kaur, and it's correct. Guys, so I will explain this question with two methods. Method 1, I will convert this into 7 by 7 plus 2 by 7. That will be 9 by 7. Any doubts in this?
No.
Then I will convert it into mixed. I will get 1 2 by 7.
Yes, sir.
This is method 1. Method 2 will be Bacha method. Because this is the whole part, this is the fraction part. मैं directly combine कर दूंगा 1 2 by 7. But this method you cannot use it for your schools. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir, in every add question. Sir.
Every question जैसे 3 by 3 plus 3 by 5, 3 by 5. 4 plus 2 by 9, 4 2 by 9. क्योंकि गाइस ये होल पार्ट है, इसमें ये होल पार्ट है, इसमें ये होल पार्ट है, फ्रैक्शन पार्ट डायरेक्टली.
About it, but I thought that the answer might get wrong, so I just.
चलो अब माइनस में वो आप नहीं कर सकते. So do this questions. Two questions are there on the screen. Do them.
Sir, I'm not able to get Ragini ma'am from new chat.
Ragini ma'am, please send hi. Good evening, Mr. Bayu. Why did you join late?
Sir, because Mama was on important call.
So,
Beta, you have Wi-Fi at home, na? Or you don't have Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi.
Yes, sir. Don't.
बेटा देखो फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स में ना पूरा क्लास का टॉपिक एक्सप्लेन होता है. आप अगर लेट करोगे तो फिर पूरी क्लास में प्रॉब्लम होगी. तो यू हैव टू ज्वाइन ऑन टाइम बाय यू. डू वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट?
Sir, can you explain the A part?
sir, first can we please do, sir?
How we have to do this?
आई विल एक्सप्लेन. अब आप 2 मिनट्स रुको. जिसको नहीं आ रहा है आई विल एक्सप्लेन. Rest can do the first question.
Yes, sir.
You just have to do the first question.
Sir, but I sent that also. Sir, I got a heart. Sir, these are bacha questions. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, why is Mr. Narendra Modi eating a pen?
Modi ji, why are you eating a pen?
Sir, I'm not eating a pen.
Sir, you know in third grade he used to eat his tie.
That is completely.
I know. I know everything.
Yes, sir. Sir, then, do you know what is my dadu's name? Sir, see, you
It's
don't
not
know.
Avyan.
Nobody knows.
It's not Avyan. For sure.
Sir, I know
Sir,
her
that is so
name is
obvious.
not. Sir, I know her dadu's name is not Bhayu or Osama. Or any of
Sir,
the.
but my dadu's name starts with an A.
तो सैमी, शान, बिग ब्रो, मोदी जी, डॉक्टर आयशा।
सर मेरे को आ नहीं रहा।
चलो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं फिर। तो गाइस देखो, मेरा एलसीएम है 9, माय एलसीएम इज 9। So what I will do is I will convert 4 into like fraction. How will I convert 4 into like fraction? By multiplying 4 by 1 into 9 by 9.
Yes.
I will get 36 by 9. So 36 by 9 minus 2 by 9
34.
will give me 34 by 9, which in mixed will be 3, 7 by 9. Do we understand?
सर मैंने
तो
3 की जगह 9 लिख दिया।
बिग बॉस, मोदी जी, आयशा, न्यूबॉर्न, बिग ब्रो, रोटी दीदी, समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर दो।
Sir, next is where.
चलो नेक्स्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस कर लो।
Okay, sir.
Sir, I've already sent the second one.
Yes, sir, me
यू आर
too.
स्टिल इन यूएस? हाँ
Yes.
प्लस ना बेटा, आपको वर्कशीट्स मिल गई जो आपको होमवर्क थी? डिड यू गेट देम?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, I have sent Ragini
आई एम
ma'am.
सो सॉरी। हाँ प्लस ना, योर मम्मा आस्क्ड, अदरवाइज आई वुडंट हैव सेंट।
Sir, I only told her to ask.
Such a sincere child.
सबसे पहले मैंने बोला easy fact. Sir, you don't know everything, so you don't know my mother's
Yes.
full name. Sir, you don't know my mother's full name.
I know it.
Yes, sir, she knows.
I am very, very, very bad at remembering names.
Sir, I can't remember.
Then how do you always remember my name, easy girl, and you even remember my last year 2 names, Da and Dadi ji? Sir, how do you remember that?
You are special, beta.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, she is mentally unstable. That's why.
Just like my best friend Aisha.
Yes. If she is
Sir,
mentally
I have learned to be that from her only. Just like her.
Sir, Rida is Jerry, and Aisha is Tom. Both are Tom and Jerry.
Sir, you know how bad me and my brothers fight? We grab each other's hair and pluck it out. Sir, that is why
Next
I get
time you
so
get
happy.
a video recorded and send it to me, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, that is why I that is why I get so happy while he is leaving town and going to South India. Sir, those are the best days of my life.
So Shan, Annie,
I come at her place to
Big
eat
Boss,
a
answer.
sending.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, from last 3 classes, why is my kids only 18?
Because you joined the class late.
No. Sir,
So
this time
3
also
plus 1 by 7 is 3 1 by 7. Simple. Now 5 is the whole part, 2 is the whole part. तो 5 plus 2 को हम ऐड कर सकते हैं 7 1 by 3.
Sir,
इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं।
दूसरे
और बता देता हूँ।
Sir,
5 plus
question.
2 plus 1 by 3. That will be equal to 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 by 3. That will be equal to 7 1 by 3. Simple. But subtraction you cannot do it like this. Yes, पूछो रोटी दीदी।
सर फिर मेरा 5 से हम लोग कैसे होगा?
मैं करके दिखाऊं सॉल्व?
सर मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया कि 5 प्लस
हाँ
मैंने सीधा
ठीक है, आपने लॉन्ग मेथड से किया होगा, फिर भी आंसर यही रहेगा। चलो गाइस, डू द डीप क्वेश्चन, डीप पार्ट। अब ये आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते शॉर्टकट वे में। इसमें आप कैसे करोगे? यू हैव टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम, यू हैव टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर 3। भाई यू अनम्यूट रखो बेटा, लेट आंसर आएगा तो अनम्यूट रखना है हमें।
Sir, I have sent Ragini. Ma'am is not checking. Sir, you
बेटा वेट
put
फॉर
one.
1 मिनट बेटा, थोड़ा सा तो टाइम
Sir,
दिया कर।
wait. Sir, I'm taking back my answer because you put one later.
इट्स द सेम थिंग, 1 पुट करो नहीं पुट करो आंसर सेम ही है।
Okay, sir. Then. Mm.
चुप हो जा रिदा।
Sir, why did my tick go away?
Because you were irritating ma'am and
Sir, you said ma'am to take my tick away. Sir, so bad.
tell. I will give you a tick this time.
Thank you, sir. Sir, because I deleted that is why. Aisha made a cross. Sir,
Roti Didi, Modi ji and Big Boss.
Sir,
seconds more. Sir, I added instead of subtracting.
फिर से आंसर भेज दो ना, ये कोई एमसीक्यू टाइप थोड़ी है। मोदी जी आपको क्या हो गया आजकल, फिर कुछ कर रहे हो साथ में?
no, sir, I've sent you the answer, ma'am, the answer.
Sir, can you tell you what the right
So guys see, this is 7/1 and my what will be my LCM bhaiyu?
Sir, can I tell? Sir, 3.
3। तो 7/1 को which number will I multiply 7/1 with?
Sir, 3 by 21/3.
3/3. I am talking to him, Roti Didi. It will become 21/3. 21/3 minus 2/3, मेरा आंसर हो जाएगा 19/3।
Sir, I by mistakenly
को कन्वर्ट कर लो 6/1/3। तो
Sir,
न्यू बॉर्न एंड बिग ब्रो अंडरस्टूड।
तो मैंने सीधा 21/3 को ही कर लिया, मैंने माइनस ही नहीं किया। Mistakenly added.
ओके, न्यू बॉर्न समझ आ गया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर लो
Yes,
किड्स।
sir. So she was just born 4 classes ago. Take it easy on her.
आई एम ड्रिंकिंग मडी वाटर।
Very funny. Mud. Sir, ऐसे तो मैं हर रोज खून पीती हूँ. I drink ABC juice. So ऐसे तो मैं हर रोज खून पीती हूँ. So cruel of me. You are a vampire. Yeah.
अरे किसी और का नहीं, मेरा ही पीती है हर रोज।
Yes, sir, मैं उसका खून पी जाती हूँ. किसका? Very bad. आयशा खुराना का. Sir, you know, 2 times she ditched on me. एक बार तो we met on a dinner and उसको उल्टियाँ आ रही थी and she couldn't even sit for a minute and she went back home and her grandfather injected her. ठीक है, without even asking her parents. And one time there was so much barish. But on the second time when there was so much barish, still she came at 7-8 o'clock and went back at 12 baje.
It was, sir, 12 o'clock is too early for us. We sleep at 4 or 5 when we have sleepovers.
I'm giving a minute more. कर लो complete, guys.
Sir, my chat, I don't know why it is not working.
कितना बड़ा बिग बॉस
Okay. Penny, what's my answer? Speak कर दो आप.
Okay, sir. Sir, it is 5 3 by 5.
5 3 by 5 is correct. So Big Boss, Shan, and Roti Titi.
Sir, I
This is
didn't type in
5.
mistake.
So, Roti Titi 6 will change into what?
Sir, it will change into 30.
30 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 by 5 will be 28 by 5, which will be 5 3 by 5. Do the F part. बिग ब्रो समझ आ गया आपको? Arnav, you have understood now? Okay. Now Easy Gal is doing it orally.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we send it improper?
No.
No.
Sir, why?
Sir, should I write and do, or I can do orally only?
बेटा एक क्वेश्चन तो लिख के कर लो, एटलीस्ट टैली कर लो, so that you know the method.
Sir, I write the question copy in the copy and I just write the answer in the copy.
Sir, can I
बेटा
send you?
जैसे मैंने बताया ना एक क्वेश्चन,
Yes,
वैसे
sir.
कर लो एक क्वेश्चन, है ना? उस मेथड से कर लो.
Method याद हो रहा है. Okay, sir.
अभी कर लो बिकॉज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चेंज हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
ठीक हो गया.
Sir, can I speak the answer?
Wait, Annie, I am sending.
No, I said when everyone will send them.
Anna, what's your answer?
Sir, I can't understand.
बेटा इतने क्वेश्चंस के बाद यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड? मैंने आपसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन में पूछा था, तब भी आपने बोला यू आई अंडरस्टूड। मैंने आपसे 3 टाइम्स आपसे ही पूछा, तो वो झूठ बोला था आपने। चलो ये देखो, इधर देखो अब, चलो कोई बात नहीं। व्हाट इज द एलसीएम?
So the LCM is 8.
तो 4/1 को विच नंबर यू विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ?
8.
8/8। एनी,
Yes.
व्हाट्स योर आंसर?
Sir, my answer is 3 5 by 8.
सो 8/8 विल बी 32/8। अब इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं अंडरस्टैंड होता तो इतना भी नहीं आता, इतना आ गया था। तो फिर 32 -3 करना नहीं आया, दैट मीन्स है।
No, sir, this also I've done.
देन बेटा आंसर आ गया, जस्ट कन्वर्टेड इनटू मीन्स। या
So because I couldn't figure out which number divides 8 and 29.
बेटा यू कैन नॉट सिंप्लीफाई, आपको मिक्स में करना है। 29 डिवाइड बाय 8, 3s are 24। सो QRD, कोशेंट रिमाइंडर अपॉन डिवाइजर, ये फाइनल आंसर।
Yes.
सिंप्लीफाई होगा ही नहीं, वो नहीं सिंप्लीफाई होगा तो मिक्स में करो, आगे बढ़ो।
Oh, got it, sir.
You won, you also understood?
Yes, sir, I did a silly mistake.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर लो। मैंने मैजिकली कलर चेंज कर दिया।
Sir, technically, the technology.
Technology.
सर ये कौन सा बंदा कर रहा है? बिग बॉस।
इसका नाम भय्यू था पहले।
यस सर।
Why have you changed Bhayyu's name to Big Boss?
सर इट इज रियली अजीब।
बिग बॉस नाम अजीब है।
यस सर, भी भैयू ही रख दो।
Sir, can you give a poll?
यस सर, पोल।
So after giving the correct answer, you can suggest new names for him.
Sir, please poll.
सर
आप सजेस्ट करोगे तभी तो मैं पोल
you
दूंगा।
can change my name please. I don't like
Sir,
the
you
name
only give your
Izzy.
own options as a poll.
Sir, can you
Sir, I
change
don't
my
like the
name?
name. Sir, I don't like the name Izzy Gal so much.
But you are easy gal ना।
Sir, I also don't like the word Dr. Aisha. Can you change mine?
No, Aisha, yours
इजी गैल
can't
की
be
जगह
changed.
हम दादी जी कर सकते हैं,
नहीं सर, मैं Izzy Gal में ठीक हूँ। No, thank you.
या
Aisha
डा
की
कर
best-
सकते हैं, डा।
Give a poll question. Give a poll question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Aisha की best friend रख दो।
Sir, give a poll question, please.
रिदा, कैन वी मेक इट डा?
Friend रख दो रिदा को।
Sir,
Why are you asking?
आई
Yes,
थिंक इजी
sir.
गैल इज गुड।
sir, you,
Sir, and
Sir,
why
Sir,
Ragini
Aisha
ma'am
will tell.
not put
Sir, you can name
his
Rita
name
Ridar.
Duniya? It was his nickname. We decided.
Sir, you can keep my nickname Ridu.
नो,
Sir, you can name Rita Ridar.
आई कैन नेम हर रेड आर, रेड आर।
Yes, sir, that's right.
Yes, sir.
Sir, that is such a boyish name. मेरे भाई का नाम हृदय है.
Class. Sir, why are you making a
Sir, you can write my name Devi Junior.
नो,
Oh, finally. Sir,
Sir,
you know
can
I
you
didn't
please
for a-
tell the LCM?
74.
एलसीएम
Yes,
बेटा
sir.
सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है बताओ? 17 इज बिगर और 34 इज बिगर?
34.
34 bigger है। Does 34 comes in the table of 17?
Yes, sir.
So LCM is 34.
Yes, sir.
Sir, will you give a break today?
Sir, I don't want a break क्योंकि आप
ओवर टाइम करते हो सर?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Sir,
break
we want
So
five
the
minutes.
reason Easy Guy doesn't want a break because she's getting question right.
Sir, and I have to go somewhere through my Masi's Roka, so I won't be late, and I have to go to the salon to do my hair. Sir, don't give a break, please, please.
No, not giving a break.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
तो गाइस मेरा आंसर कहाँ है?
One
रोटी
minute,
दीदी
one
यानी
minute.
Sir,
move
1
on.
minute.
My chat is only not working.
So LCM will be 34.
Sir, can
I
you
will
Oh no,
convert
I am doing 1 minute,
into
sir.
2 by
Please.
2. 2 by 2 means 24 by 34
Sir, I got
minus 5 by 34. That will give me 19 by 34. तो रोटी दीदी प्लीज आप लेट मत किया करो आंसर. यू कैन टॉक बट डोंट डिलेट लाइक दिस. तो कहाँ गलती हुई बिग बॉस?
Sir, in the plus and
Sir,
minus.
sir.
Sir, it was 12 by 17 into 2 and I get 24 by 34 and 5 by 34 I plused. Then I get 29 by 34.
न्यूबॉर्न आपने आंसर क्यों नहीं भेजा?
Sir, I couldn't understand.
बेटा ये तो हमने बहुत बार किया है. सिंपल माइनस है ना. आपने वर्कशीट सॉल्व की जो मैंने होमवर्क दी थी?
Yes, sir. Sir, I was
जहन नहीं
solving.
सॉल्व की ना?
Sir,
सो
first
प्लीज बेटा सॉल्व करना उसको.
sir,
Okay.
first we have to reciprocal or first we have to
बेटा मैं दे ही नहीं रहा अभी ये क्वेश्चन.
Sir, can you
मैं एक
make me
क्वेश्चन और दूंगा.
understand divide one once again?
आई विल मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड डिवाइड वंस अगेन. पहले मैं एक क्वेश्चन दे देता हूँ.
Okay, sir. So you are giving divide question only. Plus question.
yes sir.
Sir, can we do it orally?
नो, ये ओरल क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है.
Sir, this is
Zehan,
an impossible
Sir,
question.
my homework, please do my homework that I have given.
Yes,
Do we
sir.
understand, Zehan? बेटा आप
Yes.
भूलते जाओगे. जितना पढ़ोगे उतना ही भूलते जाओगे. घर पे प्रैक्टिस नहीं
Okay.
करोगे तो.
Okay. Sir, I have done your homework.
Sir, I have done. But
Ma'am, whom you have give the tip? सर इतने सालों बाद मेरा क्वेश्चन ठीक हुआ है.
Sir, same here. Sir, only after one question, but that is a lot of sir.
चल पहले मेरे गलत हो रहे थे अब थोड़े ठीक हो.
Sir, can I wash the room?
If your answer is correct, then you can go and watch them.
Sir, can I also go wash the
Sir, look.
If your answer is correct, then yes. Newborn answer दो जल्दी. Yes, Zehan बेटा, can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what's the answer?
Sir, 92 by 20.
92 कैसे आया बताओ मुझे. What's the LCM first of all?
Sir, 20.
20. Now 3 by 5 you multiplied with which number?
By 5.
5. 5 by 5.
Yes, sir.
So you will get what?
15 by 20.
15 by 20 or 15 by 25?
15 by 25.
तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहिए था आपको?
4.
4 by 4 बेटा. What will you get when you multiply by 4 by 4?
You will get 12 upon 20.
12 upon 20 and 7 by 20. What you will do with 7 by 20?
Plus it with 12 by 20.
What will be the final answer?
The final answer will be 19 by 20.
बिग ब्रो कहाँ मिस्टेक हुआ था? आनव कहाँ मिस्टेक हुआ था बेटा? अनम्यूट करके बताओ. अनम्यूट कर दो. अनम्यूट कर दो मुझे तो बता दो आप कहाँ मिस्टेक हुआ था.
Sir, I can't figure out where I did a mistake.
तो मुझे दिखा दो फिर. शो मी योर नोट. थोड़ा दूर से दिखाओ.
Wait a sec, sir.
Sir, first we have to reciprocal or change divide into.
You have to change divide into multiply and do the reciprocal of the divisor.
सर तो हमें
टाइप कुछ मुझ कर रहे हो ना इसलिए गलत हुआ. 12 by 20 तक तो करेक्ट किया था. प्लस 7 by 20 करना था. अगर आप ये कुछ मुझ नहीं करो ना, नीट करो, लाइंस छोड़ो क्वेश्चन के बीच में. कोई पेजेस की कमी नहीं है बेटा. नोटबुक ओवर होगी मैं दूसरी भेज दूंगा, है ना? तो लीव अ लाइन आफ्टर डूइंग द क्वेश्चन. करना आता है पर हम कर नहीं रहे हैं क्योंकि हम कुछ मुझ कर रहे हैं. ऑलवेज लीव वन लाइन आफ्टर एवरी क्वेश्चन. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ न्यू लाइन. चलो एच पार्ट करो.
Excuse me, sir.
यस.
Sir, can you explain me once again how to do divide?
Divide beta. Do the change divide to multiply. Do the reciprocal of the divisor.
Sir, I have done the reciprocal. Sir, first I have done the reciprocal. First I have simplified and then I have done the reciprocal. Sir, then what should I do?
अब वेट करो. डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज.
one thing. Can I resend my answer?
Yes, you all can resend. This is not anything. So you all can resend.
Yes, sir, divide को एक तो मैंने
चलो इतने सारे क्रॉसेस हैं तो मैं एक्सप्लेन ही कर देता हूँ.
No sir, please sir, please.
3 by 2 divide change into multiply and
12 by 7, then it will be 1 by 3.
8.
Then we get 7 by
7 by 12. ये तो सब करेक्ट थे. ओ 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. I will get 7 by 8. ये तो सब करेक्ट थे भाई.
सर हमने 7 by 8 ही किया था पहले.
हाँ तो मैम ने मिसमार्क कर दिया. डोंट वरी.
सर उसके बाद
Sir,
हमने
you know,
ट्राई करके भेजा.
I thought I have done something wrong.
So do the next question.
Sir, we even have to simplify. Right.
Right.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes. Ask your question.
Sir, before doing a reciprocal, do we have to simplify?
Before doing the reciprocal, do we have to simplify?
Yes.
Beta, you will simplify wherever you can. देखो ये पढ़ो.
Excuse me, sir. You
एक
have made us right. You have to simplify.
तो फिर भी बच्चे पूछते हैं मैं क्या करूं बच्चों का.
Sir, so such. Sir,
रीड कर लो
I
मोदी जी.
have to do cross multiply.
Sir, my chat started to work again. I'm sending.
That's great.
Sir, दुनिया बदल गई. Sir, what do we have to do?
We have to do the I part.
What have I done?
Sir, I know that. But what do we have to do
We
in
have to
it?
do the I part. We have to
नहीं,
solve it.
sir, after reciprocaling it and after simplifying it, what do we have?
Sir, what is wrong in this?
बेटा प्लीज सब लोग चुप हो जाओ. प्लीज चुप हो जाओ.
सर देख लो मेरा.
नहीं मैं नहीं देखूंगा. मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा. देखूंगा.
Ma'am, please check.
So many kids have made a mistake. दिखाओ आयशा.
Sir, but
your
I
work.
got it right. Sir, may I wash the room? It is really urgent.
Okay.
Sir,
बेटा 27/50 के बाद क्या किया है आपने आयशा?
Nothing.
नथिंग. तो फिर वो अनसिंप्लीफाइड आंसर है. 3/10 into 9/5. सो मैंने क्या किया? डिवाइड को चेंज किया मल्टीप्लाई में. डिड द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द डिवाइजर. तो एना, एनी, डॉक्टर आयशा ऐसे ही करेंगे हम. अब गाइज मैं सिंप्लीफाई कर ही नहीं सकता.
sir, but I did something wrong. I did something else.
27/50.
सर मैंने भी वही किया है.
पर भेजा आपने कुछ और होगा.
Sir,
But first I simplified it, then I reciprocaled it.
बेटा सिंप्लीफाइड नहीं. हम सिंप्लीफाई बाद में करेंगे रेसिप्रोकल करने के बाद.
sir, but I asked you. You said to simplify whenever you have can.
I said read it. In multiply, divide,
for you are allowed to give in proper. Must
बेटा
simplify.
ये ऑपरेशन डिवाइड के वक्त सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते है ना. मल्टीप्लाई में सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. ठीक है.
Ma'am, sir, I have written 27 divided by 10 by mistake.
ओके. तो मोदी जी ठीक है. समझ आ गया. शुरू में
Yes.
सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते. रेसिप्रोकल के बाद कर सकते. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
तो सिंगल
Two
डिजिट
by-
के साथ कैसे करते थे?
2/9. चलो ये कर लो आप फिर.
Divided by sir only 7.
Yes, only 7. So from next class I will start decimals, not starting today.
Sir, then in last class, why did you lie that you will start in this class?
Sir,
Because you guys took a long time in revising the fraction questions. पता है दूसरी क्लास आपसे पीछे थी 1 सेशन. अब वो आपसे आगे हो जाएगी.
Sir, how?
Because they are wasting less time.
Sir, but they waste more time.
sir, why were they behind us?
Because I gave them 2 days leave in between.
Sir,
So you
why?
didn't give us.
Big Bro and Easy Gal.
Sir, I did not understand. Sir, can I quickly go and get a glass of water?
Yes. So where is Ahan? नहीं, आनव. Where is आनव? आनव कैसे करेंगे ये क्वेश्चन हम?
Sir, I had gone to the washroom.
अब बता दो मुझे कैसे करेंगे. अब तो आ गए हो ना कि अभी भी वॉशरूम में हो आप?
Sir, J part.
यस.
Sir, 2 by 9 multiply by 1 by 7.
करेक्ट. व्हाट विल बी माय आंसर?
So your answer will
Sir,
be
2 by 63.
2 into 1 2, 9 into 7 63. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम था वेदा? चलो
Sir.
गाइस, नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट इज डेसिमल्स.
Sir, today.
5 मिनट्स कर लेते हैं. 5 मिनट्स नेक्स्ट हम कवर करेंगे नेक्स्ट. सो डेसिमल्स. व्हाट आर डेसिमल्स?
Sir, decimals are
Decimal is a point.
they are between a number that separates it.
ओके.
It is
तो
a
आपको
point.
पता है डेसिमल्स पे तो आता ही है.
Yes,
तो 1
sir.
by 10 in decimals is how much?
Sir, 0.1. 0.1.
0.1. इसका मतलब क्या होता है 1 part out of 10?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I don't understand.
0.01 का मतलब क्या होता है?
Sir, 1 part out of 100.
Sir,
1 part out of 100. तो मैं आपको ड्राइंग दिखा देता हूं. अगर आपको आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड पहले, तो इसमें कुछ अंडरस्टैंड सुनना है अभी पहले हमें, फिर हमें अंडरस्टैंड करना है. तो लेट्स सी. 1 part out of 10 आई विल ड्रॉ. वेट, तो अच्छा नहीं बना. तो दिस इज 1 by 10 और 0.1. अब समझ में आया रोटी दीदी?
Yes, sir.
और 1 part out of 100 क्या होगा? 0.01. Now, so we all know this. I will upload a page for you. इसमें हम fractions और decimals दोनों बता.
That means जितने जीरो होंगे उतने आगे लगा देने.
बेटा हम करेंगे. एक मिनट.
Sir, will you give any question?
Yes. 1 second. So solve the first question. Send the first question's answer in the chat.
Sir, A part or all parts?
Part, yes. A part.
Then in both the forms.
Yes, you have to send in shaded form also and decimal form also.
Sir, how to send in decimal form?
अभी आ जाएगा बेटा, समझ नहीं आया है तो.
Sir, what after decimal, what is the other form that we have to send?
Fraction form.
Sir, that is so easy.
Ma'am, please check.
So guys, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 3 upon 10. And this will be 0.3 or 0.3. So do the D part. बेटा हाउ की क्या बात है, 3 parts out of 10 है तो 0.3. अभी तो मैंने आपको दिखाया था 1 part out of 10 होता है जो 1 होता है, और 3 parts out of 10 होता है वो 3 होते हैं. मैं बना के दिख रहा हूँ, ये देखो 10 parts ऐसे, ये 3 parts out of 10 हो गए. 3 parts out of 10 हो गए मीन 0.3.
Okay, sir.
नेक्स्ट D part करो. लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे.
Last question.
Sir, how?
You have to send in fraction
Last
test.
question.
I'll just give 1 minute.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, my decimal gets wrong. Annie.
Sir, we have to send shaded or unshaded? Sir, we have to send shaded or
This
unshaded?
is one whole.
Sir, can
This
you
is
wait
1,
for a
2,
minute?
3, 4, 5,
I did
6,
the B part.
7, 8, 9, 10.
1 by 6 by 11.
So 1 6 by 10 or 1.6. The answer.
Sir, I did the B part.
Sir, I
The rest we will continue in the next class. That's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
Rita. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
kids.
Bye,
Bye, sir. Bye, Osama.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Rita.
Purana